bestie, let's do a part one of everything I got for my car right now. So yes, you heard that right. Your girl is getting her car very soon. Cause I have been buying some stuff because the car I want, y'all, I'm not gonna say it, y'all just gonna see it's not no Tesla. If we got is this car dust collector from Temu. Y'all know I love my pink and I wanted to keep my car clean. We got this pink car dust thingy. This was like, I wanna say $10, not bad at all. Then the next thing I got, because y'all know how I am, y'all know I love water salt down, so the flavor ever Snapple fruit punch to keep it inside of my car, because y'all know I drink tons of like water. And I actually got two flavor, and I got the blue Skittles one as well. And then who want dry hands? So we got ice lemon pound cake hand cream, birthday cake one. And then we got some more Germans, y'all know, in one of my favorite scents, strawberry pound cake, because y'all know I'm a germaphobe. And then ink sent your girl a little air freshener, so I will be using this as well for my car and vacation ink. Thank you. And then we got this little pig thing to go across my like window, cause like the little mirror, cause my favorite color is pink, and this pig came from like Amazon for $10. It's cute, it's pink, I just like it. And then y'all know my favorite color is pink, so we got the pink license plate thingy. This came from Temu like $5. I love this pink. Now I had a push start like ring thing, but y'all said that will make your car tear up, and we want our car to last a long time, so no. Then for the body spray to keep in here, we got the Chill Bubbly by Body Cology. It smells exactly like, you know, champagne toast. Then the next thing I got, girl, it says hot girls hit curves, because what am I, a hot girl? Then we got this, it says don't part close, I'm thick, which you know. Then y'all know I love pink, so we got these pink Beats Matte. These like pink like floors, baby matte for $10. Then for to keep my bag on basically, which I haven't even opened these yet. I bought these from Temu as well, just to hang like my bag or purse on. Y'all know everything. It's all about detail. So we got that. And then, oh yeah, it might not be a part two. We got this pink like dust cleaning gel thingy from Amazon. And then we keep some bag. Now this bag, for example, let's start the bag now. So the bag is gonna keep like my hand creams. And what else it'll keep? Like some gum. And bada bing, bada boom. Like, look how cute that is. Then, we got these for my vents. So, we got these little pink. Now, the vents, the ones I'm going to use are the pink one and the purple one. And the orange and yellow one. Not the green and blue, but super cute. Then, we got these for my seat belts. So, let's open these. I haven't even opened these yet. So, like, everything either came from Temu and from Amazon. And the most I spent on this stuff like $10 or $5, that's all. So, and the last thing is to keep my like insurance paper, all that stuff in this pink pouch. I know everything has to be pink. This goes on the mirror. It says, what does it say? What does it say? Besties. Now, y'all know I'm a very safe person, so we got these little blind spot mirror thingies. And then we probably got some pink coasters. And then we got this air freshener too. I don't know what the like smell is, but it says hot girls drive safe, because we are a hot girl, but you know, like we can still drive safe, bestie. But that's everything for my car, bestie. Stay tuned for me buying the car, because I will be vlogging it too and stocking the car up, bestie. And until next time.